Anyway, I'm looking for a rich husband. So I don't have to work anymore, you know. Yeah, you know everything, you know. We know how to take care of our future. We know how to take care of someone. We're sweet, caring, and understanding. You know, if you want to go outside, just go outside, but you're going to sleep outside as well. That's how Filipina girls is, you know, if you want to go party with your with boys, with your friends, you can go. But you're going to sleep outside also. No? Can't, hello. Shut na tayo. Mga na, di nga ako umiinom eh. I was with Filipina. But, you should get someone based on your price range, okay? If you think you don't like those kind of things, you don't like single moms, it's okay. But if you're going to find a beautiful girl, a sexy girl, you know, you have to save a lot of money. Visiting, hello. Because, you know, dating is not for free, you know, you have to pay your food, going outside. You have to consider also your gasoline and
Andito na ako sa National, ako na lang bibili.
National Bookstore.
Oo.
Plastic cover.
Ilang, thank you.
Tapos yung
Plastic
ring.
cover dito.
Tapos yung ring.
Ano na?
Yung ring. Yung para sa curtains.
Wait lang. Hindi ako na...
I help also. Who's help me? That's good. Good for you. I think you are a charity center because you help. Biglang bumait si Gracia, di ba? Pag ako kausap, napaka walang kwenta kausap. Ma, tang ina. Kapag ibang kausap, Miss, excuse me.
Yeah. Walang medyo mas malaki na gantong plastic cover. Gantong kalaki lang. Mawala silang malaking plastic cover. Ganto lang oh.
Okay lang yan.
Ganto hindi okay to sa Divisoria ka na lang bumili.
Te, wala ka mabibilang sa Divisoria ng ganun, te. Puro mga damit sa Divisoria.
Yung mga...
Ipagdidikit mo lang naman yun, ipahaba na pa ganun. Putol-putulin na lang. Kasi wala ka mahanap na yung plastic cover na mahaba.
Kailangan ako isasakto sa bunga mo. Pero
Maganap ka, bala ka. Ganyan
wala
nga.
kasi...
Ganyan na yung plastic cover ko eh.
May bumibili ako dati mga haba.
Sa Tianggian mo lang mahahanap yun eh. Wala naman sa National Bookstore.
Kaya hindi ka nga sa National Bookstore sa labas na bibili dahil.
Te, wala na ka namang mahanap sa Divisoria nun, te. Papapuntay mo po sa Divisoria.
Maghanap ka muna ba?
Te, mga pangkulay. Sabi. Ano, may pipilitin maghanap ng wala. Charlene, hello. Yes, I accept Gcash, but minimum 5K. Alugin mo nga. Halika dito, alugin ko yung utak mo. Okay, ina ka. Can you give me Gcash? Hitab? Hitab? Oh, sure, sure. Give me Gcash. But I only accept minimum 5,000. Malupiton. Tangina mo, lumayas pa rito. April ko. Parang April. Doon ka nga. Sana nga lang mag-live dito eh. Abnormal pa. Ito, vitamins mo. Mga bobo yung mga tao ngayon nakaka-irita. Busy tayo. Kaya mo ba talent pick ko? Pwede naman. Sanay ka na dito. Siyempre, mga kupal yung mga tao dito. Hindi ko kupalin natin lahat. Pag kupal, kupalin mo rin. Ba? Ano lang yun? Huwag kang magpapa-up eh. Kupalin mo rin sila. Jason, hello. Yeah, I know about greedy, but I don't know how to play. Yeah. Do you want to play? Could you follow me back? I don't follow back for free. Why? Why